Show! Here I go!
Hoy, anong lagay dyan mga kaibigan natin? Ang lagay natin mga kaibigan, ha? Kamusta mga taga-subaybay natin? Hindi na ako pumipitik. Nakikita nyo ha, pinipigil ako yung sarili ko pumitik dahil yan ang kagustuhan nyo. Alam nyo naman, laging ang kagustuhan nyo ang aming kaligayahan. Marami tayong tatalakayin ngayon. Ang pakikipag-usap ko sa kabilang panig ng mundo sa mga kaibigan ko. Yo, what's up? At syempre, ang aking isa sa mga importante kong bisita, ang aking idolong teacher, ang idolo kong teacher na rapper, ha? Lil Sisa. Hi, ma'am. Steady ka lang dyan, ma'am, ha? Sa dressing room natin. Wait ka lang sandali. Mamaya papaubuin na kita rito. At syempre, ang Abra, di ba? Ang Kuya Abra natin. Naglabas ng music video. Ang lakas. Grabe, gayuma. Alam nyo ba na nandyan ako sa music video na yan? Ako pa rin ang nagbigay ng solusyon sa problema ng kapatid nating si Abra, ang mahiwagang gamot na pinainom ko sa kanya. Panoorin nyo itong video na to.
Ng araw hinanap bago makita ang sagot. Kung tama ang hinana, ito'y mabisa na gamot. At ng aking inumin, saka ko lang naunawaan. Kayo mga nanghiya, ako'y naloko lamang. Nilinang, dinaya at inuto ng matindi.
Ihi ng may trangkasong dragon. Ang gamit niya, halimbawa nagtaksil yung asawa mo, ipapahid mo lang to.
Totoo
sa kanyang kakainin.
Pawis ng palakayan?
Pawis ng palaka, tsaka yung takip niya gawa naman sa sa pilikmata ng kambing na gutom. Abra! Galing na kapatid, galing ha. Gayuma, no? Ang makasaysayang gamot, di ba? Ako pa rin ang solusyon sa lahat. Oy, magandang gabi sa mga giliw nating mga bisita, mga paro-paro, butike at iba't ibang klase ng mga ipis dyan na iba-iba ang kulay ng pakpak. Siyempre, di ba? Congrats kapatid na Abra sa iyong panibagong konseptong inilabas, sa panibagong music video. Lahat kami mga kapatid mo sa kultura na to ay lubos na humahanga sa iyo kapatid. Tagumpay, isang magandang apir dyan. Siyempre, pag-usapan natin ng mga kapatid, aming mga bagong labas na battle. Gay Skills versus Batas, Apex versus Balakid, Delo versus Righteous One, Saito versus Basilio. Na-choke ako doon, na-choke. Pero abangan yung susunod na laban ko. Pagkatapos ng laban namin ni Basilio, may laban ako sa Cavite. Malapit na rin i-upload. Diyan ko sinabi ang lahat ng kasaysayan kung ba't ako lumalaro, ha? At sa lahat ng mga bumabanggit ng pangalan ko sa battle, maraming salamat sa inyo, ha? Abangan nyo yung mga bawi ko sa inyo, ha? Abangan nyo. Kukulantugin ko mga ulo nyo. Okay. At ngayon, syempre, may bisita tayo. Kailangan tahimik tayo, ha? Tahimik. Huwag kayo masyado maingay. Itong bisita natin ay importante sa akin to, ha? Minsan lang ako kumanga sa babae. Talaga naman ako po. Kaya kailangan tahimik tayo. Huwag tayo masyadong maharot. Tahiya tuloy ako kung ano sasabihin ko. Taka baka mo itong joystick na to. Baka makita to ng idol kong teacher. Bigyan natin ng isang masigabong palakpakan. Ready ka na, ma'am? Okay, palakpakan natin Miss Lil Sisa sa aming pagbabalik. Ayan na po. Kamusta na? Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao. Naalala nyo pa ba yun ang gulpe ng kalabaw? Ako'y pamawi ng lungkot nyo at ng pagkauhaw. Masaya na ako sa bawat palakpakan at sigaw. Kaya tumuto ka at abangan ng bawat kabanata. Pakulong handa ko para sa lahat na nagtiwala. Salamat sa lahat ng sumuportang naniwala. Kalimutan ng problema at laging manood ka ng The Saito Show.
Wee 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 wee.
Siyempre, unang-una, salamat sa lahat ng mga patuloy na sumusuporta sa amin at patuloy na nanonood. Kung may kapamilya, may kapuso, ang The Saito Show ang kamukha. Kayong mga kamukha, salamat sa patuloy niyong pagsuporta at maligayang panonood sa inyong mga tahanan. At ngayon po, ang ating isa sa ating mga importanteng bisita ngayong araw na ito. Bigyan natin ng isang masigabong palakpakan mula sa Crazy Pamilya. Tama, ma'am? Bigyan natin isang masigabong palakpakan si Ma'am Lil Sisa. Kamusta, ma'am? Ano yung mga pinagkakaabalahan mo ngayon?
Ngayon, teacher ako at the same time after ng work. After ng work, may tutorial ako.
Ganun.
Tapos yun.
Sa kalaman po ng lahat, no, si Lil Sisa po ay isang mabuting guro. Isang guro ng... Ano pinuturuan niya, ma'am?
Preschool.
Paano mo binabalanse yung oras mo sa pagtuturo kung sakali may mga imbitasyon sa pagrarap?
Siyempre, mas priority ko pa rin yung work ko. Kaya nga, parang medyo naglaylo ako sa flip-top kasi nung natanggap na ako sa pagiging teacher. Siyempre, ayoko namang isipin ng ibang, alimbawa kung may makapanood man, ayokong isipin nila na teacher ka, tapos sumasali ka sa ganyan.
Tapos yung ganun pang klase ng laban.
Iniingatan ko kasi yung mga estudyante ko. Ayokong madamay sila. Ayokong madamay din yung trabaho ko.
Nung mga panahon nagtuturo kami, nakakakilala ba sa'yo?
May nakakilala sa akin sa school. Kaya parang naging issue sa school yon na parang si Lil Sisa daw ako. Tapos, ayun, kinausap ako ng head ko. Hanggang, ayun, nalaman na nila.
Nagpa-picture na sila.
Tinanggap na lang yung katotohanan.
Ganun pala. Iba pa naman yung mga banatan doon, no?
Hindi rin sila makapaniwala na ako yun. Parang miski daw sila, hindi sila makapaniwala na ikaw yun.
Ano yung inspirasyon mo dito sa pag-rap mo? Sino yung mga inspirasyon mo?
Siyempre, mga family ko. Kasi, family ko, si Baby.
Yung baby mo nga pala,
si Baby.
Yung cute niya na
si
baby.
Hayes. Ayun.
Pangalan niya, Hayes?
Si Sean Hayes.
Sean Hayes. Hi, baby. May plano ka pa ba lumaban ulit?
Sana. Hopefully, pag hindi na ako teacher.
Ganun.
o kaya, pwede din. Gusto ko sana yung compliment battle. Yung puro sarili ko lang lalaitin ko. Tapos, yung sa kalaban ko, pupurihin ko lang siya ng pupurihin.
Hirap din kasi, ma'am, no? Pag alam mo yung kapatid mo, ba? Mumurahin mo dun sa harap ng maraming tao para maging bida ka. Oo, maganda, syempre, bilang isang manlalaro, bilang isang mandirigma sa laro. Pero yung sa loob-looban ko minsan, nararamdaman ko rin yung pagkatapos ng laban, sige, pumalakpak yung tao, minura mo siya. Pero sa pagtalikod ko, sakit eh. Ano mo yun? Tropa ko, minura ko para iiyak na yan. Siyempre, yun lang at maraming salamat, ma'am. Salamat sa pagpunta mo sa The Saito Show. Sana huwag kayong magbago lahat at salamat sa mga patuloy na sumusuporta sa amin, mga makatang Pilipino. Bigyan natin ng isang masigabong palakpakan ulit, Lil Sisa.
Go, go. Ho, 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 ho. Hey, 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 yo, hey, yo. Make your alignment, never by four.
I've poured, been on both sides of old borders, a journey board, see me floating across waters, and walk through fire, a soul survivor, a new day, a different war. J.R.'s a rider. When I die, I ain't going to heaven. Point dot period pipe, you know what I'm reppin'. I use my giant China phone as a weapon, get knocked out on the floor looking like you just resting. I'm a kung fu master, I'll snuff you after I rape your grandmother, nigga. Fuck you bastard. I'm getting everybody's attention. I always speak my mind, there's never nothing I didn't mention. Besides being skillful, I am an ill dude. I ain't a regular normal human being. but I'm still cool. This is a real version of an ill person, and whatever we've been doing is still working. Oh, piece of shit! This is the hardest task you're ever gonna face, so expect the worst. This is not gonna be an easy task. You must be careful with all the information you give, because you will suffer the consequences. Eliminate them! Smoke them out and bring them to me. They will try to intimidate you with their snaky eyes. Do not trust them. The Homie! You must crucify those little boy-loving imperialist toga-wearing faggots. They don't know the truth. The truth is in here. Now you might be wondering why I'm wearing this displeasing costume. It's because today we're gonna go through some special training, and you will learn new methods and tactics to infiltrate the Homins. They are demons. We must terminate all of them. Every single one. Genocide! Kill! We are such a kill! Horses are sworn. Their Bibles are weapons of mass destruction. Kill! Every woman. Do not pay attention to them. Hypnotizing organ music. Sounds like garbage anyway. In order to kill them, you must look like a Roman. Their sisters are whores. Act like a Roman. Their aunts are whores. Think like a Roman. Their little nieces move like a Roman. All their mothers. In order to kill your worst enemy, you must become your worst enemy. Is that clear? Let me hear you say, oh! So kill! We are such a kill! Horses are sworn! Dead or alive! So kill! They're not peaceful! Their sisters are whores! Their Bibles are used for mass destruction! And they are your target! So kill! Every Homin inside! Oh! The infiltration begins! You guys ready? Lock and load. Get him! Go! Ow! Okay, one more time. Oh!
Wow, ibang klase, ibang galing, kapatid na Jehan, iba yung husay, pang-international. Woo! Speaking of international, kamustahin natin ang mga kaibigan kong Makata dyan sa kabilang panig ng mundo. Hey Senha, what's up? What you doing, man?
Zaito! What's up, buddy? How you doing?
I'm okay. I'm just busy being Saito.
Right? Okay, nice. We hear the show's doing fantastic. We hear the ratings are through the roof, right? Hey, do me a favor. Can you tell me what's been going on with Mike Swift and Jehan?
Oh, it's okay. Don't worry about my friends. They're good. They're killing the game.
Is that right? Those crazy guys, they're always up to something. Well, out here in the West Coast Connect Battle Division, we've been doing some crazy undercover work at Team Dunson. We got a chance to sit down with two of the top premier MCs in the world global battle scene.
What are you talking about? Dirt Bagdan.
Oh yeah, we're talking about Dirtbag Dan. Yeah, well, you know what? Dirtbag Dan teamed up with Awkwards That guy is a beast. Been killing the game for years. And you know, we got a chance to go behind the scenes on their new song that they did. They Hate Me Cause I'm Great. And let me tell you, that shit is a banger.
Ooh, I fucking hate him. Now let me go shake his hand. That's what they sayin', Dan. Cause most of those that hate our fans used to be friends, now they're rivals. Cut them off, all about survival. Keeping the blunt now down the night quill. Tell my brain needs a power cycle.
Some of these fans are downright spiteful. Said I ain't the man, it's a motherfucking typo. Blood type typo, hit him with a rifle. You can get lost out west like Fifo. Turn to a cartoon when I spark two. About to buy a condo off Parkview with a real nice park view. They wanna be like Dan, but it's just too hard to.
Nice song, good sound, quality. Lord Bagdan, I remember you. I saw you in the flip top, Ahun too.
I know you see me in that Enigma battle with the Connect Auto shit chain on, bro. You keeping it live, Jayhan? I see you.
I'm coming out there too, man.
Right there,
I'm coming out there too, man. Protege coming to get you.
Hey, we gonna work some shit out, man. I love to come back.
I'm ready, man.
I'd love to come back to the Philippines, man. I feel like that was the most eye-opening experience of my entire battle career. Clearly, the most viewed battle I ever did, and I fucking loved it, man. The whole situation was just wild, and it was something else. You know what I mean?
I'm looking forward to it too, man. I'm honestly surprised that since he's went, no one else from America is gone. Like I'm like, why haven't nobody done this? I'm going. You know? So we're trying to put it together, man.
Shouts out to all my fucking people out there in the Philippines,
oh, yeah.
man.
I can't wait.
I got folks out there, man. I got people I feel like is family out there.
Of course, yes! We're family! You're always welcome here in the Philippines. How about Sunugan? Would you want to battle in Sunugan?
I feel like a definite allegiance to Flip Top in a sense because they were the first league to bring me out, and like we definitely worked together to build something that I think was great and like shine like a global light on this big thing that they've worked out that is kind of the Filipino battle rap scene. That being said, like I have a lot of love for the Filipino battle rap scene as a whole. Clearly, I got a lot of love for the homies, Jayhan, Mike Swift, you know what I mean, Looney, he's my dude. Like I got to kick it with him while I was out there too. So like I'm really like me. Ultimately I'm a free agent and I'll battle for fucking anybody who's gonna make the battle happen. You know what I'm saying? But like that being said, I got a lot of love for a fucking Flip Top. But shouts to Sunugan, and I'm fucking down for whatever. You know what I'm saying? Like that's how I feel basically. Like they know, like they laugh like about like gun control and shit. They're like, what do you want? Like our cab driver told me out there I can kill somebody for $10,000. Shouts, Philippines.
No, it's 10,000 pesos. That's $200, my nigga. Eh, kayo naman mga chokoran, kailan nyo balak bumalik dito sa Pinas?
Yeah, we'll go out there, man. You know what I mean? I want to give Flip Top the chance to, you know what I mean, figure out our deal. And if they end up not wanting to do it, then I'm down for whatever. It's on the table. I'm coming there regardless. You know, so Protege already said he's down, so that's really
Wild dogs, homie.
That's all it is.
Wild dogs in the streets, bro, looking like dingoes. You know what I'm saying? Balut. I'll eat some balut, homie. That shit's wild, crunchy, bro. You don't want it to be crunchy. That's beak. That's beak and bone, homie. That's beak and bone. I ate all of it, son.
Oh, nice. Thanks, bro. Balot, huh? You know balot? Balot is the #1 junk foods in the Philippines. Huh? Hey, Disaster. Listen. It's not for me. This is not for me. It's for you and your career.
Like, try to fucking, you know what I mean, like, after this, we need to get crazy matchups. You know what I'm saying? Like, from where we go from here, we deserve this shit, you know what I mean? Because we're giving y'all this entertainment. So tell all the pussies that y'all rate as #1 and all that to step down and get fucking bodied! Bodied!
What? You're the king of rap battle? Come on. I am the real king because I have 12 million views, 12 million hits on YouTube. What the fuck compared to your bullshit views? Bye. Come on. Hinahamo kita sa balagtasan talastasan sa Pinas. I wanna fuck you up. Come on, Disasters. I wanna fuck you up.
Everybody's
Kung talagang ito, pagkakataon ng maraming mga rapper na baguhan ngayon sumusulat na nagnanais pumasok sa kultura na to, sa ganitong klase ng laro. Maganda to, malaking pagkakataon to para sa inyo.
Ito ang unang hakbang ko sa sunugan, kaya magpapakilala muna sa mga hindi pa nakakaalam na pangalan buhawi na handa kumawi ng mga buwisita. Humanda ka ba ka mataranta sa mga parondang atake ng aking labi pag umarang ka sa akin, hindi na makakataka sa malas mo dahil matalas ang tabos ng aking rima.
Isa ito at negatibo, ang unang gumawa ng Pinoy Compliment Battle na ikinagulat nyo.
Sa akin pamimintas, wala kang takas at nagtas. Pag mimistulan na kwintas, ang angas mo mapipigtas.
Ayaw umunlad, parang ating estado. Pinipigilan ni Tito Soto ang pagbabago, nakapako.
Chams ang ina ka! Taga saan ka? Taga Davao, taga Dasma. O nakuha mo yung pangalan mo sa daga na may asma.
Ano na ang bago sa'yo? Mukha ka kasing caveman, kaya kahit ano magbago sa'yo, ikaw pa rin ay lumang tao.
Pero di kita pipiliting humalukay. Makinig ka lamang ng mahusay. Di baling konte, basta tunay.
Don't fight over the fucking connect out lace on your fucking lace. You want to fight over, I'll give you another one when you come out.
May sunog ah. Sunog ba? Direk, may sunog ba? May sunog ah. Ayan, episode 4 natin. Abangan nyo sa episode 5. Maraming mangyayari. Kita-kita tayo dyan ha. Bago ko tapusin ang palatuntunan sa gabing ito ay Disaster versus Saito sa Araneta Coliseum. Abangan nyo yan ha. Disaster versus Saito in front of 20 million people. Ha, dami yun. Dami yun. Kita tayo dyan, Disaster ha. Hindi ako tatawa sa'yo. Paghandaan mo yung laban na yan. Maraming salamat sa inyong lahat muli. Mula sa The Saito Show. Pakaibuturan ng aming puso. Maraming salamat.